Thread the compression nut and the ferrule onto the new water probe. Ensure that the ferrule is 2¼ inches from the probe tip. Insert the probe into the water probe opening. Start the compression nut. Using a 9/16 wrench, tighten the compression nut until the probe can no longer slide in or out. Be careful not to over-tighten the compression nut. Connect the 2-pin Molex connection. Carefully slide the side panel back into place and secure with the screws. Replace the cabinet top and secure with 6 screws. Refill the evaporator pan with water. Plug the unit in. Turn the unit on and verify that the unit is heating and temping correctly.